Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, we are back again with a very good question. Students, here is the description of our courses which we are providing. If anybody is interested and wants to enroll, please visit our website www.quantifiers.in. Students, we have also have a Facebook group where regular questions are being posted for your practice. So if you want to join this group, the link for the group is given in the description. Okay, students, so everybody please try this question. Just a small request, pause the video, try this question, and then look at the solution. Okay, students, so I hope all of you must have tried it. Now let us discuss this question. See, there are four types of toys. Type A, there are 73 toys. Type B, there are 92 toys. Type C, there are 84 toys, and type D, there are 77 toys. It is given that there are 100 children. All toys are to be distributed. Every child gets a minimum of one toy. राइट तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन है, मिनिमम एक टॉय सबको देना ही है. एंड एट द मोस्ट वन टॉय ऑफ एवरी टाइप, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन है. एट द मोस्ट वन टॉय ऑफ एवरी टाइप, ये मैं समझा देता हूं स्टूडेंट्स. इसका मतलब है कि लेट्स से इफ समबडी इज गेटिंग थ्री टॉयज, सो स्टूडेंट्स ऑल थ्री टॉयज शुड बी ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप. तीनों टॉयज डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप के होने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट कैन बी ऑफ ए बी सी टाइप, इट कैन बी ऑफ ए बी डी टाइप, it can be of A, C, D type, it can be of B, C, D type, and so on. Now let us look at the question. क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि मैक्सिमम कितने चिल्ड्रन हो सकते हैं, मैक्सिमम कितने चिल्ड्रन हो सकते हैं having exactly one toy. Now students, if you see, we have 100 children, and if you see the total number of toys, the total number of toys are 326. So 100 children are there, 326 toys are there. Now students, number of toys बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. Number of toys are way more than number of children. So it is not possible to give exactly one toy to each of them. So now how will we solve this question? Students, see, first what I'll do is I'll try to give all four toys. I'll try to give all four toys to maximum number of children. तो पहले मैं ये देख रहा हूं कि हम कितने चिल्ड्रन को चार चार टॉयज दे सकते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू सी, इफ समवन हु इज गेटिंग फोर टॉयज, जिसको भी चार टॉयज मिल रहे हैं उसको चारों टाइप्स के टॉयज मिलेंगे. राइट नाउ इफ यू सी दीज वैल्यूज, वी हैव मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ टॉयज ऑफ टाइप ए. टाइप ए के हमारे पास मिनिमम टॉयज हैं. इससे हम क्या कह सकते हैं गाइस? इससे हम ये कह सकते हैं दैट देयर कैन ओनली बी 73 चिल्ड्रन. सिर्फ 73 चिल्ड्रन ही ऐसे पॉसिबल हैं जिनको चारों टाइप के टॉयज मिलेंगे. बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव टाइप ए टॉयज मोर देन 73, and to distribute these 73 toys you need 73 children. So 73 children can be there who will get toys of all four types A, B, C and D. यहां से हम कह सकते हैं 292 टॉयज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएंगे. 292 toys are distributed. Now what are we left with? Students, out of 100, if I subtract these 73 children, we are left with 27 children. And out of these 326 toys, 292 toys are already distributed. So can I say we are left with 34 toys? Now students, very, very important condition. When we distributed these 292 toys, students, all these toys are already distributed. टाइप ए के सारे टॉयज ऑलरेडी यहाँ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो चुके हैं. व्हाट डज इट मीन? स्टूडेंट्स, यू डू नॉट हैव एनी टॉय ऑफ टाइप ए. नाउ इफ यू डू नॉट हैव एनी टॉय ऑफ टाइप ए, these 27 children, students, maximum anyone can get only 3 toys. Maximum anyone can get 3 toys. क्योंकि टाइप ए की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है. Now please look at the question. Question says maximum how many people can get exactly one toy. So what I'm doing is I'll give one toy to each of them. I'll give one toy to each of them. So 27 children, if each of them is given one toy, can I say 27 toys are distributed? Now students, what are we left with? Out of 34 toys, 27 toys are distributed. We are left with 7 toys. Now students, these 7 toys, ये जो 7 toys हैं, ये इन्हीं लोगों में distribute होंगे. And I already told you that maximum anyone can get 3 toys. They are already having one toy. Can I say now maximum anyone can get only 2 toys? Because they can get 3 toys, they already have one toy. So now they can get only 2 more toys. So students, now to how many children? To how many children I can give 2 more toys? So can I say I'll need 3 children? I'll need 3 children who will get 2 more toys. क्योंकि इनमें से अगर 3 चिल्ड्रन में से मैं 2 टॉयज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दूंगा, so 6 toys will be distributed here. And now out of 7 toys, I have distributed 6 toys. Can I say I still need to distribute 1 toy? अभी भी एक toy बचा है. 1 toy still left. So students, for that 1 toy, I will need 1 more child. So that means 1 more child, he will get 1 more toy. Now students, please be very careful here. Out of these 27 children, 3 children are getting 2 more toys. एक एक तो ऑलरेडी मिल चुका था, 2 टॉयज हमने और दिए हैं. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि out of these 27 children, these 3 children, students, these 3 children, they are getting exactly 3 toys. These 3 children are getting exactly 3 toys. तो अगर इन 3 children को हमने 3 toys दे दिए, that means 9 toys इनको distribute हुए थे. And 1 child is getting 1 more. So if 1 child is getting 1 more, that means this 1 child, he is getting exactly 2 toys. क्योंकि एक टॉय तो हमने पहले ही सबको दे दिया था, तो इसको हमने एक टॉय और दिया है. So there is 1 child who is getting exactly 2 toys. So students, now what does it mean? Out of these 27 children, 3 are getting exactly 3 toys. 1 of them is getting exactly 2 toys. So that means remaining how many people are there? So out of 27, if I subtract these 4 people, we are left with 23 people who are getting exactly 1 toy. Now students, if you see, this total comes out to be 34 toys. So students, what will be the answer? Answer for question will be that there are maximum of 23 people who can get exactly 1 toy. So students, answer is 23. Students, it's a tough one, but if anybody has any doubt, you can post it in the comment section. Okay, we'll see to it if you have any doubts. Yeah, thank you everyone.